Now that we've discussed the parts of the foot and the settings for your machine, I'm going to show you how to attach it. The first thing I do is I make sure that my needle is threaded, and then I pull up the bobbin thread so that I can have a tail for both of them. Then remove your foot. And you want to make sure when attaching the foot that this hook rests on your needle bar. And then I attach it like any other foot, but for this foot I lift it up to make sure that it's actually attached, because sometimes it doesn't want to secure properly onto my machine. There you go. And then I make sure that the needle screw is tight, because there have been times where I am ruffling and all of the movement will loosen the screw, and then the needle will just fall out mid-ruffle. Then I manually lower my needle to make sure that my needle is not going to hit any parts of the foot. And you're ready to start ruffling. I'm going to go ahead and ruffle a piece of scrap fabric to show you what it looks like. So lift my presser foot, and I place the fabric just past the hole on the foot, and lower the foot, and then I manually move my needle down, and I will start ruffling. I've learned the hard way that if I ruffle too quickly, that it will often skip stitches. So I go fairly slowly. When I get to the end, I will lift up my foot and remove the needle, and then I tightly hold the end of the fabric and thread so that I can have a tail on this end also. And that will allow you to manually gather if necessary. So that is how you use your ruffling foot, and I hope it helped.